Hi everyone, I'm Janina. If you missed any videos in this project, I put the links in the description. Keeping with the theme of the last video, I'm going to be adding food on a plate. In this video, I'll be adding burgers and fries and chicken wings on a plate. I'll be putting these plates of food on the coffee table in the main video I created. If you don't know the coffee table I'm talking about, check out the first video. The link's in the description. Let's get started. First, I'm going to pick my plate. Now for the food. I'm going to click on Place Embedded. I'm going to add this veggie burger. Now I'm going to open this object instead of embedding it. I'm going to click on it and drag it up toward the image that I want it to go on. That tab is going to open and I can drag it down onto the plate and let it go. This time I'm going to use the Place Embedded, which opens the element right on the image I'm working on. I'm going to hide the first layer of the fries so I can arrange these. Now I'm going to start saving my images. Done with that one, let's do another one. Same plate. This time, using Place Embedded, I'm going to pick the cheeseburger. Over on the veggie burger layer, I'm going to duplicate both layers of french fries, clicking on one layer, holding shift, clicking on the other layer, then right clicking and going up to duplicate layer. For the destination, I'm going to pick the plate I just put the cheeseburger on, which is this one. Click OK. When I click back over to the cheeseburger tab, you can see the fries are already there. All I need to do is rearrange them. Let's do another one. Get the plate, embed the burger. This time I'm going to duplicate the layer from the cheeseburger plate I just created. Click on one layer, hold the shift key as I click on the other layer, then right click, go up to duplicate layer, and choose the destination of the burger I just put on the plate. Just like before, when we click back on that tab, the fries are already there. Now I'm going to start saving my images. Now that I'm done with the burgers and fries, I'm going to plate some chicken wings. I'm going to use this plate and start embedding the chicken wings. These chicken wings are 3D objects, just like the burgers and fries, all of which I purchased from Envato Elements, just in case you were wondering. I'm going to duplicate this layer by right-clicking on it, going up to duplicate layer, and hit OK. Since it's staying on this plate in this tab, the destination stays the same. Let me duplicate another layer. Right-click, duplicate layer, hit OK. Let me duplicate another layer. Right-click, duplicate layer, hit OK. Remember, since it's staying on this plate in this tab, the destination stays the same. Now I'm going to start saving these images. And that's the end of this video. Hope to see you in the next one, when I jump back into Adobe Premiere Pro and start adding these images to the coffee table.